what's going on there, everyone? So today is third day. December. I think it's like December something. Yep, it's December 8th, 2016. And we're going to be going skiing. Hopefully, with no more wipeout. But you never know. Might have a little bit of wipeout. Hopefully it won't be too hard like yesterday. Yesterday I had like a pretty good wipeout, and boy, it really hurt my tailbone a lot. Hopefully today will be different. So that way I don't end up having to get help off the mountain, because I really want to be skiing on the mountain without any help from the ski patrol, because trust me, getting help off the mountain will be like no fun. But if you get hurt on the mountain to where you can't move, sometimes you need to get help off. Even my aunt know, right?
Yep.
So anyway, I'll try my best to be as careful as I can, while trying to avoid the skier as much as I can as well. But if it turned out I wipe myself out because I'll try my best to avoid the skier, but I guess that's okay if I wipe myself out, because I was trying to avoid all the skier and snowboarder much as I can. So anyway, I'll do my best I can to try to stay on my feet and not have any bad wipeout. But you'll find out later on tonight. Till then, stay tuned. Well, it turned out that we won't be skiing today, because the gondola is closed and all the slopes are closed today because of the wind. So anyway, don't know what we'll be doing today, but I'm pretty sure my aunt has a few ideas. Do you want to say what we'll be doing today?
Maybe we'll watch some movies.
All right.
Maybe
Alright.
we'll watch some movies. Maybe we'll go bowling. We'll find something to do, that's for sure. Gives us a time to rest up anyway.
Alright. Is that all?
That's all for now.
Alright. Anyway, as you heard from her, that what we'll be doing. So anyway, I'm pretty sure we'll find something to do.
Like drinking coffee.
You drink coffee, me not so much.
That's okay, that's good.
Anyway, it will give us time to rest up and hopefully go skiing tomorrow, because tomorrow is the last day of skiing of the year here at the South Lake Tahoe, and we'll be going skiing again until March or February.
Yeah, February, March.
At the North Lake Tahoe, at the Alpine Meadow, and where we'll be staying at, I cannot tell you, and it's a good region. So therefore, when I start my vlog again on the next skiing trip, what won't be until February or March, I'll have to do it the moment we leave the house to head up to where we're staying and end it before we get there. Until then, stay tuned. Well, I'm going to go ahead and wrap up the vlog for tonight. And sorry if we did not get to go skiing today. It was just the weather. So therefore, me and my aunt went for a drive around the Tahoe area including on this one road where you have to go very slow on because it does not have like any railing on the side, and it would make your belly like, well, you know, try and find the word, flip flop. Anyway, so that road there, when they don't have like any railing on the side, that can be a little bit scary, and that when your belly starts to like flip flop, and therefore that what we did. We were like so nervous. We were like, ugh. But God had like gave us all 6 rainbow, and that made us pretty happy. We were not nervous anymore then. Thank to God. Anyway, so once we got back, we watched 3 movies. 3. One was An American Trail. The other one was called The Wing. Don't know if you guys ever heard that, but if you haven't, try to like look it up. If you can't find it, then I don't know what to say. I know it can be a little bit hard to find, but if you try, you might find it. If not, that's okay too. Anyway, and the third one we just watched tonight was the Narnia. So anyway, once we got that done, we're like going to bed. Jack got done Skyping with my mother so I could wrap this up. Then I'm going to do some praying with my aunt. Then I'm going to go straight to bed. Until then, see you all tomorrow. Peace.